In this video, we're going to discuss the site manager and pages. Now, off to the right-hand side is our site manager, and this is basically our hierarchy of the site. When you first launch the software, you're going to become familiar with a blank index tab here, as is shown over to the right in the site manager palette here. And this is where everything all starts from. Every website has an index page. Now, what I like to do sometimes is to show the extension to the file names here. And the only way to do that is to go up into the Tools, Options, and then Show Page Extensions in Site Manager. Now, I'm going to click this button, but this will require a restart of the software. So I'm going to click that X out of it, and then I'm going to start all over again. And click on our WYSIWYG web editor here, and start all over again. So give me just 1 second here, bear with me. Ba-doom. And then as you'll see, it's index HTML. There we go. Now, this is just a preference. You don't have to do that. But the way I did that was I went up to Tools, Options, and I clicked Show Page Extensions in Site Manager, Start Required. Okay, so that's how I did that. So here we are. We are in a blank canvas, a blank website with 1 page of index HTML. Now, just for the heck of it, I am going to insert an image. I'm going to scroll down to Images, Image, grab us an image. I'm going to throw this apple on the page just so we can see that the apple is on the image page. Now, I'm going to click on the Untitled Home and click on New Page, which gives us page 1. Once again, just for the hell of it, I'm going to throw an image on here. Let's throw some keys on here. Ba-doom. There we go. Scroll down. Maybe it's a little bit smaller so we can see it. Okay. There we go. We got some keys on the page. Now, this is our hierarchy. This is where we can see what pages we have going on, as well as the tabs across the top. Now, if we are doing a menu, so to speak, we would want to rename these. So let's say this is going to be something like my About page, okay? We can do About, okay? For the index page, we wouldn't want this to show up on a menu as, or a navigation as being index. We'd want to rename this to be something else. So let's oops. So let's go back to our index, page properties, menu name can be home. There you go. Title could be anything you want. We're just talking about navigation for right now. But we click on the About page, which is the keys. Click on that by right here. We're going to right click on the page properties, and as you can see, the menu name has been changed to About. Click over to the index page. We're going to click over to a clear spot, page properties, and it has been changed to home. So if we were to pull some navigation on this page and tell it to find what we had so far, it would find home and about. Although in the hierarchy of the web process, we would have index and about HTML. Exactly what we want. Let's create a new page. And we could do that by going to the page panels here, or using the site manager panel here. We can come here and create a new page. So new page. New page. There we go. And as you see, it reverted to page 1, which used to be page 1 up here, but since we renamed that, this one's now page 1. But anyway, we can click in the open space here, page properties, menu name. Let's say we wanted to call this, I don't know, the contact page. So contact us. Okay. And let's see where that is. We're going to double click this. And we're going to change the page name over here to reflect that. So it's going to be contact us. So we renamed this here. Rename page, contact us, and then the page properties itself, we changed the menu name to contact us. So you have to do both of those. This is the HTML name of the page. When you right click here and page properties and do the home thing, this is the actual menu name, so to speak, of the page. Now, each page also have a title, which we'll go into a little bit later, but this is basically a description. So this would be, this is how you contact us. And let's spell the typo of it to is. This is how you contact us. Or this is, and this is where you can contact us. Alright. And this is just going to be the title of the page, the search engines will see, and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, so we have contact us, about, index. Okay? So you're getting the idea of how we do this? Let's go back to index. And let's do introduce you to navigation real quick, even though this is not even a navigation video, but let's just do this anyway. My favorite is the CSS, so we're going to grab CSS. We're going to click this out here, and we're going to just throw that right up there, and we are going to open object properties. And since I only have 3 pages right now, I'm going to click on number 4 and remove it. Number 1, I'm going to edit, and we're going to say home. Oops. Let's clear everything and then do home. Okay. And it's going to be a link to a page in this project, and it's going to be the index. Yay! Okay. 2, we're going to edit, and we're going to point it to this about page here. and the text is going to be about, and we're going to link it to the About page. Okay. And then number 3, we're going to edit, and it's going to be called the contact. And we're going to link this to the contact page by highlighting it. Boom. Okay. Okay. And there you have it. We have a simple menu. Now, we're going to right click on this, and with every object, once again, you can right click and go into the object properties. And there are a lot of things we can do with this. We can style this in many, many different ways. The layout mode, horizontal, vertical, responsive, alignment left, alignment center. Let's just click this to alignment center. When we make changes, it'll put them down here. I was going to leave them at the default, but I felt like I needed to come in here to show you that by going to the object properties and style, we can actually play with these quite a bit. So yeah, I'm going to sit here and play with these for just a little bit. And you can follow along with me. I'm going to be kind of quiet here as I do this, but let's see, border background there. Let's go to our text, regular text, size. Let's do 12. Let's use centered Arial, color of the text. Let's do white. Do I have a bold? Yes, I do. Bold. Okay. Nice. Man. Yeah, just for a test. That's pretty cool. There you go. Boom. All right. So, just to show you that you can take this text menu and once again go into object properties, style. Just remember, style is styling, and do lots. We can do shadow, and we can actually images behind all these buttons and borders and backgrounds. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Anyway, just a multitude of options here, but I just want to keep it basic for you guys. And that's on my index page. Okay, so just show you. We're going to F5 this. Of course, nothing centered or anything yet. You know, I'm just playing with this, but as you can see, my buttons are all highlighting, and if you look down here at the bottom portion of the screen here, you'll see when I hover the About, it changes to the About HTML, the Contact HTML, and the Index HTML. So it just shows you that those are all working. Anyway, so just a little bit about setting up the site as far as Site Manager. And I know this is running long, but I hope you gained something from it. We'll see you again in the next one. Thanks.